If you're on Lake Como and the ticket line looks like this, don't get discouraged. There is another way. Buses go to many places around the lake, sometimes even faster than the boats, and they cost much less. For example, we went from Como to LENNO for around €5 each, while a boat ticket would have cost about 16 to 17 euros. That said, if you get dizzy on mountain roads or struggle with winding bus roads, it might not be the ideal option after all. LENNO is home to one of Italy's most famous villas that we are about to visit. So we came to LENNO, where one of the most famous villas is situated, but we have it scheduled for later. And we actually came by bus because ferries were full or not available at least. So you should check the schedule because ferries depart not that often as buses, because buses go each hour, and it's also worth it if you want to save some money because it's probably 3 times as cheap. After Varenna, LENNO seemed really small and quiet, so if you're looking for a calmer spot to spend your time on Lake Como, that might be one of them. Also, there are some restaurants with okayish prices. LENNO's waterfront curves around a beautiful bay known as the Golfo di Venere or Gulf of Venus. According to multiple sources, it's one of the most scenic spots on Lake Como. Just offshore lies Isola Comacina, the only island on Lake Como. We saw it passing by on bus. The views between the island and the Labeda Peninsula are among the most photographed in northern Italy. Since 2014, LENNO has been incorporated into the municipality of Tremezzina, although locals and visitors still commonly refer to it by its historic name. I really enjoyed our time before our visit to Villa del Balbianello because most of the visitors were around the villa and the town felt almost empty. If you're looking for a calmer experience and don't want to spend all day standing in lines everywhere, you should check out LENNO as well as some other less famous places on Lake Como such as Lecco, Colico or others. Our visit to Villa del Balbianello was scheduled for the afternoon and it was great. I can't say that the villa was overcrowded, but it can also depend on the season, I guess. One reason Villa del Balbianello feels so cinematic is that it's often approached by small boats crossing the lake. Normally, it costs around 10 euros per person, so it's worth considering if you have some extra time. I shared more about our visit to Villa del Balbianello in my previous video if you're interested. Overall, the main highlight is the garden, and I'd say it makes sense to plan at least 2 hours for the visit. If you also plan to do a tour of the villa itself, it will probably take longer to see everything. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If so, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.